Are you a yoga practitioner or a yoga instructor looking to deepen your practice? Here are going to be 4 books to help you on your journey.
We are going to start with Foundational Yoga Flow. Now, this book was put together by Colette Ousley-Moynihan and Weston Carles. What makes it so unique is the collaboration between the two. Colette, who has been a yoga and meditation teacher for over 15 years, and Weston, who is a very creative and innovative photographer. Now, Colette takes you through a collection of 90 poses that are divided into 3 parts. Awaken, to get you going in the morning. Deepen, which is going to help get you through the day. And Soften, which is going to kind of round out your day and kind of round out your yoga session. Now, I mentioned the collaboration. What happened was the two took their friends on a journey through Texas to find the most amazing scenery possible to get photos for this book. And just real quick, I'll show you a few because that really is a highlight of this book. Just seeing the beautiful photography credited to Weston Carles, and of course Colette helped guide the participants through the yoga poses. So it really is amazing the shots that they were able to get. It really took the book from being a traditional yoga book with 90 poses to kind of a conversation starter that you can put on your shelf or your coffee table.
Awesome. So next is going to be a book geared towards instructors. So we have our hands-on yoga assist. So this book introduces you to the rubber band method by Kara Armstrong, and it focuses on alignment, touch cues, and physical adjustments. It's great for instructors who are looking to refine their hands-on practice, and it's made for all body types and different poses as well too. So definitely check this out if you're a yoga instructor looking to refine your hands-on method.
Another excellent selection there. Next up, I have Rocket Yoga, which was written by David Kyle. Now, I had the opportunity to interview David and learn more about this book, and what really hooked me on it was that it is introduced in a way to get people that might not traditionally be interested in yoga and maybe kind of get them more interested in the practice. Now, David was a student of Larry Schultz, who was a private yoga instructor for the Grateful Dead. And I think that is where it sort of took off and sort of creating this environment that fit the individual. Now, quick story here, check out the interview that I did with him on YouTube, because David talks about a lot of stories, but he mentioned one where he went into a yoga studio in London and saw people actually doing yoga to EDM, which is kind of funny. So if you are someone who would typically be interested in yoga, but want to give it a try, this might be the way to do it.
So next we have a book that's going to help you get into certain poses. Do you struggle to hit any pose? This is going to be the book for you. So the complete guide to yoga props, just like it says. So this book is beautifully laid out, and it goes over 800 variations to get into different poses. So this is ideal for practitioners or instructors looking to dive deeper into the anatomy and how to help assist get into different poses. So it's divided into easy to follow sections, perfect for building and refining your practice.
Another excellent selection there. So if you are a yoga instructor or someone who is just interested in improving your practice, these are 4 books you definitely want to check out.